Let me introduce myself. My name is Karna Cahyani, 3rd grade D. I will explain about the term in Aqidah. The term Aqidah is a basic belief that is firmly embedded in the heart of a Muslim about the truth of Islamic teaching. So Aqidah becomes the main foundation that determines the legitimacy or not of a person's faith and needs. Thus, Aqidah functions as a foundation for thinking, behaving, and acting for a Muslim. The true belief will give birth to care, worship, and noble morals, while a defiant belief can damage a person's faith and needs. The term Tauhid comes from the Arabic word wahada yuwahidu, which means to make or make one. Tauhid is the belief to believe in Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala in all matters, both in His sentence, His characteristics, His needs, and in the worship of Him, and believe that there is no partner for Allah in any form. The definition of syirik is the activity of associating Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala with something in His worship, power, or attributes. Polytheism is a belief or action that makes other than Allah as only for Him, whether in the form of worship, supplication, belief, or obedience, thus destroying the purity of Tawhid and one of the biggest sins in Islam. Kufur comes from the Arabic kafar, kafara, which means to cover it or then. Linguistically, kufur can be interpreted as the attitude of closing the truth or not wanting to admit something that should be admitted. Kufur is the attitude of denying Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, His teachings, or His beliefs, whether with the heart, word, or needs. Kufur includes the rejection of faith in Allah, His messengers, His book, and laws that He has established after the truth has arrived and is known. Hypocrites comes from the Arabic nifaq, from the word nifaq, which means to hurt or has to rot. A hypocrite is a person who so faith in Islam outside, but its disbelief or unbelief in his heart. He claimed to believe verbally, but his heart and action were contrary to the teaching of Islam. In Islam, hypocrisy is a very receptible trait because in this story the host of faith and can anger to people as mentioned in Allah that hypocrites are at the low level in hell.